Ever wondered how to manage your finances better? Welcome to another Werks video, and let's dive into the world of envelope budgeting. Picture this. Your income is divided into different envelopes, each labeled for a specific spending category. Maybe you have one for groceries, another for rent, and perhaps one for fun money. The catch? You can only spend what's in each envelope, no borrowing from Peter to pay Paul. So, if you're looking for a hands-on visual way to keep track of your spending, envelope budgeting might be the right fit for you. Now that you know what envelope budgeting is, you might be wondering, how does it work? Well, let's break it down. First, you identify your spending categories. These could be anything from groceries, rent, utilities, entertainment, to personal care, or even your morning coffee. Once you have your categories, you allocate a specific amount of money to each one. These amounts are based on your income and your personal spending habits. You might put $200 in your grocery envelope, $100 in your entertainment envelope, and so on. Now here's where the discipline comes in. When you go shopping for groceries, you only use the money from your grocery envelope. If you run out of money, you can't borrow from your entertainment envelope. You have to wait until the next time you fill your envelopes. Remember, the key to envelope budgeting is discipline. You only spend what's in the envelope for each category, and no more. So what are the key points to remember about envelope budgeting? Well, let's delve into that. Discipline is the first key point. It's the cornerstone of envelope budgeting. Without discipline, the system crumbles. You must stick to the budget set for each envelope, resisting the urge to dip into other envelopes when one runs dry. Next up, we have visual representation. Envelope budgeting provides a clear, tangible image of your spending habits. It's a powerful tool that allows you to see exactly where your money is going, making it easier to spot areas where you can cut back. Which brings us to our third point, flexibility. The beauty of envelope budgeting is its adaptability. If you find that you've underestimated or overestimated your budget for a certain category, don't worry. You can adjust the amounts in your envelopes as necessary. But be aware, envelope budgeting is not without its challenges. The most common one being the temptation to borrow from other envelopes. It's easy to justify borrowing from the grocery envelope to cover a night out, but doing so can quickly derail your budget. So, to recap, discipline, visual representation, flexibility, and awareness of potential challenges are the key points to remember about envelope budgeting. Envelope budgeting is a simple yet powerful tool to manage your personal finances. It gives you control, visibility, and the flexibility to adjust as needed. So why not give it a try? Have you found this video helpful? If so, don't forget to give it a like. Your support encourages Werks to keep creating more content like this. And if you want to stay up to date with all our latest videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your personal finances. So why not share this video with your friends? It might just be the tool they need to better manage their money. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on managing your finances.